All right, you want to know how I made $10,000 with zero money dropshipping in under 30 days? I'm about to show you, and it's absolutely insane, something you've never seen before. And if you watch this video all the way through and you use the actions, you can see it for yourself. This is by far the best method, hands-on, and it's proven to work over and over. We actually just started a brand new store this past week, and it's already doing anywhere between $50 and $100 per day on autopilot. Zero ad cost, nothing, just the product cost, and we are good to go. It is running, it is getting sales, and it is something you've never seen before, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? My name is Sam Jacobs, and every single week I provide value on how you can scale your own e-commerce business from scratch. Over the last few years, I've generated over $5 million from my own e-commerce businesses, and I want to show you how to do the same. Every single week, we give away a custom-made Shopify store. All you gotta do is comment the word Shopify right down below, and you'll be entered. Make sure you're subscribed as well, and hit that like button to help push this video out to the public. So a big problem about dropshipping is sometimes you can get so carried away with spending so much money on so much different expenses, like marketing. And soon enough, you can see your bank balance go lower and lower and lower, especially if you're not spending time to learn and level up. Now, although spending money on ads is the greatest and fastest way for you to scale your e-commerce business to the 7 figures, if you want to go ahead and actually get free sales in the beginning just to get your feet wet, this is going to be a great strategy that works for 2022 and beyond. I actually just used this strategy to go from $0 to $10,000 in under 30 days with zero ad spend. This is a store that you can see that we just did it with, and after a while, it's just generating us a few $100s on auto. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna show you the entire store. I'm gonna show you why we chose the product, how we set up this entire strategy, why it works so well, so you can use it for your own. I'm literally uncovering everything, and I've never seen anyone do this before, so if you do respect and value what I'm doing, make sure you hit that subscribe button for tons of videos to come. Also, just a quick reminder, again, if you want to win that custom-made store, comment the word Shopify right down below in the comments and a little more about why you like this video overall. So with that, let's begin. So you've guys seen it before on the channel, the Hula Fit. This is the famous store that broke all rules for us, and it really allowed us to realize we can make money online without spending money at all. How crazy is that? Let me show you how we did it. So this store is something that we've been showing on our channel a lot, and you can watch a ton of videos on the in-depth strategy on how we took this store and made over $100,000 or close to $100,000 in under 30 days. But something absolutely went crazy. After we stopped running ads for the store, we started just to get sales out of the blue. And soon enough, we realized why. And we took this strategy and started using it for other stores, and it's crushing it. Zero ad spend, zero spend on marketing at all. The product that you see is called the Hula Fit. And for most people, it's just a regular Hula Fit, or yeah, it's a Hula Fit. We created that name, and that's what allowed us to separate ourselves from all our competitors. We built a real brand around this product and a quirky name that everyone could remember. As you can see on this product itself, we were selling it for $39.99, getting it for around $10 to $15 with a great profit margin. Now, when we are looking at this product, there was a few things that we wanted to implement. And this is something that you need to do if you want to set this strategy up correctly to get free sales. Number one, domain name. Domain names are super important. You want to make sure you choose a domain name that people, 1, will remember, 2, is catchy, and 3, that will rank for the product. When we were setting up the domain name for this product, we were asking ourselves, what are people going to remember this product as? So we just looked at this product in a whole, and we looked at it and we're like, hey, this looks like a hula fit, right? It looks like a hula hoop, but we added a little twist, and we created our own name for the product. A great website that you can use to find your own domain name is something like Namelicks. So all you gotta do is just type in a keyword, for example, let's say hula hoop, press generate, and then you can do something like medium or name style. You wanna do something like real words and press generate, okay? And you get to choose something from here automatically for free. Now again, you want to keep something that is rememberable. We called it the hulafit.com, so anyone can remember that name. And obviously, whatever your product is, try to get the name related to that product so people remember it easily. When it comes to choosing your logo, try to make sure that your logo color matches the color of the actual product. That can really help with your conversions and branding. So now that you got a great name for your product and a great domain name that people will search up, the next step is to make sure that your product goes viral on social media. Now here's a strategy that you can use to get influencers for free to promote your product. You see, there's hundreds of influencers out there on Instagram, TikTok that love free items. Like, who wouldn't want a free product? So what we did is we went out there and found influencers that met our criteria, usually influencers between 5 to 20,000 followers, and we just emailed them as well as messaged them on Instagram saying something like this: hey, this is the Hula Fit. We love your content and would love to collaborate with you. Would you like us to send a free product to you in exchange for a video? Let us know, exclamation mark. Something like that will get their attention, and those people who want a free product will go ahead and say yes, and then you send it to their house. They make a video for you, post it on social media, absolutely for free. You'll be surprised of how many people will actually go ahead and do this just because they want a free product. And this is exactly what we did. We even hired a customer support rep from Upwork.com for $3 to $4 an hour to email all these influencers for us on autopilot. Once we got responses back, we sent them the product and they would make a video in return. Now, as you get more and more people to post about your product, you can even go ahead and post it on your own. Go ahead and make a TikTok page, order the product to your house, and take a few videos. You can get a product going viral in just a few days. Stay tuned because we're gonna have a video breaking this down on how to go viral on TikTok organically to get sales. But for this particular video, we're gonna go over the strategy that worked for me, which was choosing the right domain name and then hyping it up on TikTok, social media for free. And as you get more traffic and traction, your website will rank on Google. So let me show you how it all works. So since all these potential customers on social media saw our product and our influencers used the word the Hula Fit, they went ahead and looked it up on Google. They typed in the Hula Fit. And just like that, you can see our website ranking on the first page of Google. This in return gave us thousands of dollars of business every single week for free. SEO is a huge part of your business. And in order to rank on the first page of Google, you have to go ahead and have a domain name that people search up. For example, I searched up thehulafit.com and the website popped up right away. As long as you go ahead and put the domain name in the product description a few times, you're gonna rank, but don't overdo it. We even have a little section that says people also ask, does the hula fit actually work? Can the hula hoop slim your waist? So on and so forth. So try this on your own. Go ahead and choose a product that you think people will search up for, but that also can create that wow factor on social media. Choose a domain name that really will get people clicking and go ahead and start posting it all over the place so people will start searching your product on Instagram and Google and get free sales. You can even create a TikTok page for all your creators to tag you on, and make sure you put your link in the bio. I hope you guys have great success with this strategy. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below. I'm always answering them. And as always, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment the word Shopify down below for your custom-made Shopify store for free. Follow me on Instagram for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.